This is what 4.15 crores gets you in Jaipur with 35 front and 200 gaj bungalow with unmatched accessories. As we step in, this is our covered car parking space. There is our upper deck with primary entry, and we approach in the house with the secondary entry. To this family space, here is our formal living space with all the premium work on walls, and look at all the work and our Italian marble flooring. Then our this mandir properly placed as per Vastu. Dining is close by to this kitchen, all Duco work with IoT based accessories. Then ground floor, from this family space there is a ground floor bedroom with its walk-in closet and the attached washroom. Then moving to the first floor, before that I'll show you the whole view. Now we are on the first floor and our second bedroom just right here with its walk-in closet and attached washroom. Then from this spacious family space, then to this third bedroom with its walk-in closet and the attached. Now one more bedroom on this floor which counts four bedroom till yet with this beautiful work on the headrest with its attached balcony from this side, and here is open family space with double height. Yes guys, well, this bedroom also has its walk-in closet and the attached washroom. Okay, moving from here, on my left, this is also the way to the balcony. Moving to the second floor of this house, these are these are all the big windows from where proper sunlight comes in and also seen in the elevation part. On there, here is also our theater with its premium accessories and the absent project and the recliners over there. And at last, from here, we are moving to our fifth bedroom of this house and this lift which deliver us here. Now, this fifth bedroom also comes up with its balcony, with its proper window from where proper sunlight comes in, and its walk-in closet and the attached washroom. So this was the whole house, right? If you are interested for this house, reach out to us or share it with someone who might be interested. Till then, keep watching. Bye.